Is your paneer turning sour, dry, or slimy too quickly? Here's the easiest way to keep it fresh longer in your refrigerator. Paneer contains lots of moisture, making it spoil faster if exposed to air, bacteria, or fluctuating refrigerator temperatures. Always store paneer inside an airtight container or wrap it tightly to prevent drying out and absorbing refrigerator odors. For softer paneer, place it in a clean container filled with fresh drinking water before refrigerating it securely. Replace the water every day to help maintain freshness, preserve texture, and reduce unwanted bacterial growth during storage. Keep your refrigerator at about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or 4 degrees Celsius, for safe and effective paneer storage. If paneer develops a sour smell, slimy texture, mold, or unusual color, throw it away immediately without tasting it. Label the storage container with the purchase date and always use the oldest paneer first to minimize food waste. Seal it tightly, refrigerate promptly, change the water daily if needed, and always check freshness before cooking or eating. Found these tips helpful? Like, subscribe, comment your favorite paneer recipe, and share this video with friends who love cooking.